Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer support at LSSE. For that, first of all, you will have to launch your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for lightsha.com. Now, once you are at LightSHA, you just have to simply log in into your LSSC account. Now, once you are on the home page, you will see a bunch of different tabs. Here, in order to contact to the customer support, you will have to tap on the My section in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and over here you will be able to see their chatbot or their contact details that you can use in order to contact them. Now, if you are not able to find it over here, you can just open a new tab in the search bar, and here in the search bar you need to just search for LSSC customer support team. So once you search for this query, you will find the first link that will say contact us LSSC. So you just have to tap on this link and you will be landed on the next page where you will be able to basically contact to LSSC customer support team. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.